You don't need deep pockets to attract deep expertise. For those who don't know me by now, hi, I'm Rachel, and I talk to business owners every day. And I know, we all know, that preserving cash flow is key, whether you're pre-investment or just a lean, mean startup machine. That said, you can still compensate advisors, consultants, freelancers, whoever you need to grow your business without breaking the bank. If you can't afford their day rate, offer them equity. Equally, if you can't afford a competitive salary, you can offset it with equity. Take growth shares, for example. It's a class of shares that not many people know about, which is a crying shame, because growth shares are a great way to reward people for the value they help create above a certain threshold, known as the hurdle. If the share price goes above it, your advisors or contractors get a piece of that growth, reflecting the value they bring to the business. They'll also only pay nominal value for them generally, which is small change compared to their potential future value. So if you don't have the talent in-house and you come across a brilliant individual who you'd love to have on board in some capacity, even part-time, don't let your budget hold you back. Reward them with growth shares. Thank you so much for coming to my TED Talk. Let me know what you think in the comments below.